Did I scare ya? I scared myself actually a little bit, and now I have kind of a wedgie. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Amari Andrew, and if you know me, you know that there are 3 things that you know about me. 1, I hate crowds. 2, I predominantly wear black. And 3, I love Halloween! It's like my favorite holiday. It's always been one of my favorite holidays, besides Christmas, but Christmas kind of is like a second place now. Actually kind of always has been, but I love Halloween. It's like honestly my favorite holiday. So because I love Halloween, or just basically any holiday pretty much, I love theming things to said holiday. Jeff and I, within the past year or 2, we've stopped drinking alcohol just for a variety of reasons, mostly health related. I still love having like a themed sort of beverage, so that is why I am making this video, to share some of my mocktail recipes with you. And if you also are not imbibing in alcohol, just enjoy these recipes. There are 4 of them, super simple, super quick and easy. That is why I made them that way, so then I actually also want to be able to make them. So let's just get to the recipes. Super quickly, Amara from the future here. I just wanted to let y'all know, y'all? That's what I say now, apparently. I just wanted to let you all know that I actually have Halloween merch. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is? Yeah, it's a little ghost, isn't that cute? I'll talk more about it later on in the video, but I have this, I have some candy corn stickers, I have a lot of different Halloween stickers actually. Like I have said, Halloween's like my favorite holiday. Go check it out at buyamara.co, and like I said, I'll talk about it later so you can hear about this again for a second time. Okay, ta-da! The first recipe is dark and moody and full of delicious dark grape notes with a hint of citrus and ginger. What do I call it? I'm between either goth juice or my soul because it's nice and dark. We'll see by the time this comes out what I end up calling it. Okay, so first what you're gonna do, grab your handy dandy mason jar or cocktail shaker, put some ice cubes in there. Then you're gonna take 6 ounces of grape juice, pour that in there. And then 2.5 ounces of ginger beer. I personally like Reed's ginger beer just because it has a really nice bite to it, but you could do whatever kind. And then about half a lime of lime juice, or about 3/4 ounces. Finally, ugh, there's a hail in my mouth. This is like the worst feeling ever. Thankfully it's mine though. Yeah, that's mine. The final fun ingredient that's in this recipe, charcoal, activated charcoal. This is what gives it a really cool sort of goth vibe. I love charcoal just in drinks and food and stuff like that. If you have too much of it, you won't be able to shit, so don't have too much charcoal because that is not a fun day. So this is 1/8 teaspoon of charcoal. Dinky dinky dink. And then give it a shake. Oh, look at how cool that looks. Woo! Forget that happens every time. Okay, shaken it enough. Shaken, not stirred. Can you imagine if that's what James Bond said instead? Shaken, not stirred. Okay, already off the fucking rails, and this is only the first beverage. Then you're just gonna strain that over your glass. I just use the lid because I'm not super fancy and I kind of don't care. Just pour that in. Boom, shakalaka. And then I like to just garnish it with a couple different lime wheels just because those are fun and I like the color. And then plop your straw in there and voila! Your goth juice or my soul. I think I like my soul. I think we're gonna go with that because my soul is very dark even though I smile and laugh a lot. I'm a pretty fucking dark person. Here we have it, drink number 1. Oh. That's so disgusting. No, I'm just kidding. It is absolutely delicious. I'm not a big grape fan typically. I really don't like grape. This is really good though. It kind of tastes like a Jolly Rancher a little bit in a way. I don't know like how else to describe it. It tastes like candy. It looks cool. You have the really pretty purple and the green. Definitely recommend it, obviously, because I am making it for you. Let's just get on to the next recipe. Okay, so drink number 2. This is the candy corn mocktail. In my original recipes that I made last year or 2 years ago. Oh, it doesn't feel like it was that long ago. I made all alcohol-based drinks because I was still drinking alcohol at that time. I made one where you infuse the vodka with candy corn. You can go check out the recipes too on my website, amara.me/fallcocktails. And you can find all those lovely, awesome recipes if you're still imbibing in alcohol. However, let's just get to this drink. Now, this one's more referential of candy corn. Candy corn has such a specific flavor to it. It's like a marshmallow vanilla kind of flavor, so a little difficult to replicate in a drink, but I found a way that it still tastes really good. It still has the same kind of color palette and everything, and it has that like vanilla-y kind of note. Just keep in mind that this is more referential of candy corn than actually tasting like exactly like a candy corn. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take 5 ounces of orange juice, pour that in your cocktail shaker mason jar filled with ice. Then you're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Then add 1/3 ounce of lemon juice. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just gonna shake that up. Nice and shooketed. I need to stop saying that. Nice and shaken, and then I'm just gonna strain that again over our glass. This time a martini glass. Ooh, I'm just spilling everywhere. Okay, perfect. So really pretty orange color. But we're not done yet, people. What we're gonna do then is... Ouch, Cocoa Whip is hard to open. 5-second rule. What we're doing is, we're gonna take a scoop and a poopa of Cocoa Whip, or whatever other non-dairy or dairy-filled frozen whipped concoction you would like. I just have Cocoa Whip because we are primarily dairy-free. And then, I don't know, throw a candy corn or 2 on there because it looks fun. You can plop them on top of your Cocoa Whip if you can. Oh, nope, mine just fell right in, but that's fine, whatever. So now I have 3 candy corn in the bottom, but whatever, that's fine. So here's your candy corn mocktail. Give it a sippy poo. That's good. Like I said, definitely gonna be quite citrusy. You do get the hint of vanilla extract in there, which is nice, and that helps round out the flavor. As the Cocoa Whip or whatever other kind of frozen dairy treat you have on the top of yours as your garnish, it's going to melt and kind of disintegrate in your glass, so then you actually get a lot more creaminess to it. There you have it. Nice and simple, light and fruity, like me. I just remembered that I was actually supposed to add Topo Chico to the candy corn martini just to top it off a little bit, so that is what we are gonna do. Okay, now let's give it another sip. That's more of the flavor. I was like, wow, it's like really strong, and it wasn't this strong when I tried this recipe yesterday. So a splash of Topo Chico on top, then you add the Cocoa Whip, then you're done. Okay, on to the next drink. All right, next drink, caramel apple mocktail. This was one of my favorites that had alcohol in it because I think I added bourbon to it, but it's still absolutely delicious without the alcohol. It's just very, very sweet. What we're gonna do is take 8 ounces of apple cider, 3/4 ounces of maple syrup. In my kitchen, I can lick what I want. 1/2 ounce of vanilla extract. And now black walnut bitters. If you are like completely abstaining from all alcohol whatsoever, then you will not want to make this drink because it does have bitters in it which are alcohol based. I'm doing about 3 to 5 dashes of black walnut bitters. I do about 5 dashes just because that's what I like. Yeah, you can still make it, but just don't add the bitters, or just try one of these other drinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that was 6. Getting wild. And then 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then same thing, give it a shaky shake. Such a pretty fall color. And then strain that over an ice sphere in a low ball glass. And then garnish with a piece of apple. Voila, you're done. Fun caramel apple mocktail. That is so fucking good. I could drink that all day long. My apple will not stay in place, but that's fine. It's more just as an accessory for my beverage. Also, I'm obsessed with these glasses. I think I got them from Crate & Barrel or something. I don't really remember, honestly. I think it was Crate & Barrel, but I love these. Jeff has no idea, but these are gonna be our regular glasses from now on because I'm obsessed with them. I love bats. I think they're so fun. I actually have a bat pillow that I've not persuaded Jeff, but I have just forcefully made him accept that that's part of our regular decor from now on. It literally sits on our chair all year round. His name is Batty. Oh, here comes Batty, everybody! Batty, you're stealing the show, what the fuck? Just teasing. Yes, this is our bat pillow. This is Batty. He stays in our living room all year round.
You just said just teasing to the pillow.
I love him. He's like the bat I never had. Okay, Batty, go back home. Anyway, little psycho, I guess. Bye, Batty! Oh, he waved. I mean, Jeff made him wave. Oh my god, this is getting weird. Anyway, delicious drink, fun glasses. I'm losing my fucking mind. This is falling apart very quickly. Like I said, this is falling apart very quickly, but thankfully we only have 1 more drink to make, so let's do that. Okay. Final recipe. This is one of my absolute favorites. I guess they all are actually my favorite, but this is my pumpkin pie fotini, or no, I hate fotini. This is my pumpkin pie mocktail. What you're gonna do, take a martini glass, and then we're just gonna rim it using a lime wedge. I don't know, I kind of like the zesty, citrusy nature of lime, so I think it's nice. And then we're gonna take a mixture of coconut sugar and cinnamon, and then use that to rim our glass. Que bella! Okay, so then we set that off to the side, and then same thing, mason jar filled with ice. Take that, and then take that, and then take about 1.5 ounces of pumpkin spice syrup. So I have a recipe for this on my website, mariandrew.com/simple syrups, I believe. It's right here, so you can go there. It's super easy recipe. It'll also be in the recipe for this as I'm saying it. I'm now realizing that, so this is in here. Pour that in over your ice. And then 5 ounces of non-dairy milk. So traditionally I was making this recipe with coconut milk because that was my go-to. I've been obsessed with oat milk as of late. I tried it on vacation and I absolutely fell in love with it. So that is what we're doing today. Pour that in there. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a really good shake because you want all the syrup to mix together very well. That looks pretty well mixed. Same thing as with all the other recipes, strain it over your glass. In this case, it's your prepared martini glass. Look at how thick and luscious that is. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. And then we're bringing back our trusty cocoa whip. Just gonna plop a dollop, or a big one, right on top. There you have it, your pumpkin pie mocktail martini. Not a martini, but you know what I mean. Let's give it a sip. Oh my god, that is so good. That is absolutely delicious. Love the rim. I really like the lime in there too. It helps like make it feel like fresh and bright instead of just like too heavy of a drink. And those are all the recipes. I really hope you all enjoy them. I hope you have a fun, safe, festive Halloween. Halloween, like I said, is like one of the best holidays, if not the best holiday. Oh, you may have noticed my shirt. It's a little ghost. I sell this in my Etsy shop. You can get your own at buyamara.co. Super cute if I do say so myself. Great for all year round, honestly. You can wear it whenever and it's really cute. Really great fit too. I don't know, I have trouble finding shirts that I think fit me well, so yeah, I don't know, I like it. Buyamara.co, you can get your own, and you can find all these recipes at my website, amaraandrew.com or amara.me. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like, I guess, comment below. Ooh, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Comment below what you're gonna be for Halloween. I'm very excited. I love hearing people's Halloween costumes. Take care, have fun, stay safe, enjoy life, and just be your absolute best. Okay, bye. Speaking of fun glasses, apparently I have a thing for bats because I just got these. I look like Steven Seagal. Oh no!
You gotta do your karate.
Here, wait, I need to...
You almost got them.
Sorry. Yeah, aren't these kind of fun? I thought they were fun. Anyway.